Welcome to Trust Offer Zone, your place for discovering cool gadgets and useful tech products. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Boya Microphone, which is one of the most popular budget microphones for content creators, YouTubers and vloggers. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. As we open the box, the first thing you will see is the Boya lavalier microphone itself. This is a small clip-on microphone designed to capture clear audio while recording videos. Inside the box, you also get a long microphone cable, which is very useful when recording videos from a distance. The cable length is usually around 6 meters, giving you a lot of flexibility while filming. You will also find a clip that helps attach the microphone to your shirt or collar. This makes it very convenient for interviews, presentations, or YouTube videos. Next, we have the foam windscreen, which helps reduce background noise and wind sound when recording outdoors. The box also includes a battery which powers the microphone when using it with cameras or certain recording devices. Another useful accessory included is the 3.5mm adapter, which allows the microphone to work with different devices like DSLR cameras, smartphones, laptops, and audio recorders. One of the biggest advantages of Boya microphones is their clear sound quality at an affordable price. Many beginners and professional creators use Boya microphones for YouTube videos, interviews, podcasts, and online classes. The microphone is lightweight, portable, and very easy to use. Simply clip it to your shirt, connect it to your device, and you're ready to record. Overall, if you are looking for a budget-friendly microphone with good audio quality, the Boya Mic is definitely a great option for beginners and content creators. If you like this product, hit the like button. Comment link. We'll share the product link with you. And don't forget to follow Trust Offer Zone for more gadget reviews, unboxing videos, and cool tech products.